Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenisha, and if you're new here, welcome to all my returning subscribers and supporters. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much. Guys, in today's video I am doing a DIY baby wipes. Guys, I know if you check your stores right now, you probably can't find baby wipes, so I am doing this hoping that this will help some people out. So all you need for this, quick, easy and cheap, DIY, you need some paper towel, and you need to cut it down. You need a container. I'm just repurposing a wipes container. You need an oil, so it can be either coconut oil, olive oil, or baby oil. And you need a baby wash and tea tree oil. You also need a cup and a half of boiled water. Yes guys, so in this container I already put 1 tablespoon of the oil and 1 tablespoon of the wash. I'm gonna have my my psychic to come and help me. He's going to mix as I pour my water. Be careful. And he's gonna pour that while I get the rest of it. I was trying to find my other measuring cup, but I couldn't, so I just need to, you know. And I'm gonna put the other. Okay, that's not. Yes guys, and then I'm gonna take the tea tree oil. Let me hold it. Take the tea tree oil and drop 10 drops, sorry, 10 drops in it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't shake it, don't shake it. Okay, so guys, that is all. And then we're gonna go all over this. Okay, let me do it, guys. Yes guys, so this is it. I am gonna leave this for a while, and then so guys, after about 10 minutes I removed the cardboard, and this is the wipes ready to be used. So all you just do is just put the wipes up and use your wipes, and there you go, DIY baby wipes. I hope this was beneficial to someone. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have an enjoyable day. Thank you.